Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 stocks on my watch list. I follow the stock price movements of these companies and any relevant news that may affect the stock price. First stock is Square, ticker symbol SQ. Square provides payment and point of sale solutions. Current price is $94. Market cap is $39.2 billion. There's no PE ratio, which means they are not profitable at the moment. And forward PE ratio is 120. Let's take a look at the performance. Last Friday, down 0.4%. Past week, down 6.75%. Past month, up 7.23%. Past 3 months, up 39.67%. Past year, up 207.69%. Past 5 years, up 739.29%. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. So as you can see, this is an extremely high growth company, and I see there's a lot of upside to this company. Next is Adobe, ticker symbol ADBE. Adobe is a diversified software company with solutions for digital media, digital marketing, and print and publishing segments. Current price is $263.22. Market cap is $131.6 billion. P ratio is 50, and forward P ratio is 34. All right, let's take a look at the performance. Last Friday, down 0.19%. Past week, down 3.14%. Past month, up 2.02%. Past 3 months, up 5.33%. Past year, up 75.53%. And past 5 years, up 415.61%. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. Next is Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW. This company provides security platform solutions worldwide. Current price is $215.71. Market cap is $20.3 billion. There's no PE ratio, which means they are not profitable at the moment, while forward PE ratio is 35. Let's take a look at performance. Last Friday, down 1.65%. Past week, down 4.9%. Past month, down 6.96%. Past 3 months, up 1.59%. Past year, up 48.62%. And past 5 years, up 354.32%. Dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Next is Intuitive Surgical, ticker symbol ISRG. Intuitive Surgical designs and manufactures Da Vinci surgical systems and related surgical instruments and accessories. Current price is $548.71. Market cap is $62.9 billion. P ratio is 56, and forward P ratio is 45. Take a look at performance. Last Friday, down 1.03%. Past week, down 4.6%. Past month, up 1.35%. Past 3 months, up 10.02%. Past year, up 51.54%. Past 5 years, up 353.78%. Dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Last but not least, Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. Salesforce develops enterprise cloud computing solutions with the focus on customer relationship management. Current price is $155.40. Market cap is $117.3 billion. PE ratio is 121, and forward PE ratio is 57. All right, so look at performance. Last Friday, up 0.11%. Past week, down 2.94%. Past month, up 5.11%. Past 3 months, up 8.94%. Past year, up 62.64%. And past 5 years, up 196.45%. Dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. That's all for this video. Which stocks are you following? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.